If you're looking for the best trading experience on both Kalshi and Polymarket, then you're in luck because Creo just launched, and this takes Kalshi and Polymarket trading to a new level. Find your edge in prediction markets. You have not seen a Telegram bot experience like this one. Early joins will be rewarded, and they just went live with their public beta, which you can check out with the link down below. But let me show you exactly what makes Creo so special and why it is the best Telegram trading bot for trading both Kalshi and Polymarket. So at first, when you sign up, you will get sent to the Creo hub. And from here, you can continue to the Polymarket bot, the Kalshi bot, or their web app, which I will show you very soon. But if we click on to their Polymarket bot, this is what it looks like. And if you are experienced with using Telegram trading bots, then this might seem familiar to you, but they have some really cool features that I haven't seen on other platforms, and the executions are super quick. So at first, when you're getting started, you obviously need to click onto your wallet and fund your wallet. Once that is done, you have your open positions in here, or you can search for specific markets or see all of the most popular markets in here. So if I click on 2 markets, you can select whichever niche you want to see. But let's say I want to explore the economy prediction markets. If I click on 2 here, you can see all of the open markets with the most volume, or just the ones that are trading. You can sort them by trending, by liquidity, by volume, new markets, markets that are about to end, or the most volatile markets right here. You can easily scroll through all the markets by just clicking next or previous here. But let's say I want to bet that SpaceX and XAI merge by June 30th. You just click on to this market. Here you have all of the volume and liquidity. You have the yes buys, the no buys, and the order book. And if I want to buy yes, you just click here. You click whichever amount you want. You can change these quick buy options in the settings. You can place limit orders, or you can set a specific amount. But I right now have $100 in my wallet. If I want to buy yes for $10, I just click on $10, and then there you go. So this has now been bought. And if I head back to the home screen and click on my positions, you can see that this is now an active position, and you can see your profit and loss right here. This is obviously pretty standard for Telegram trading bots, but let me share the things that makes Creo stand out. First of all, they have a really quick copy trading feature that works on both Polymarket and Kalshi, because the great thing about Creo is that it works on Polymarket and Kalshi, so you don't need to use separate bots if you want to trade Kalshi compared to Polymarket. It's just one bot, one place. You have a great and super quick copy trading feature on both Kalshi and Polymarket. If you want to use it, you just click on to copy trading right here. I already set up a test previously, but if you want to add a new one, you just click on add task. You select whichever wallet you want to actually use for this task. This is your own wallet. Then you just need to find a wallet you want to copy. For an example, let's just do this random one. You just paste that in here. Then you select a name for the task. In this case, let's just do taste 2. Then you enter the buy amount in USDC. So in this case, let's do 50 USDC that I want to allocate to this task. So in this case, let's just say 50, but you can change that in here. So you can either do a fixed amount per trade, you can copy for the exact same amount, or you can copy for a percentage. So if I click on percentage, you can then change that here. If I, for example, want to copy him for 10% of whatever this guy trades for. You can then set your own max buy limit. You can set minimum liquidity, minimum volume, follow buys, follow sells, copy sells, counter trade, basically all the settings you need to successfully copy trade a person. And if we instead go into the Kalshi bot, this looks exactly the same, so it's super easy to use both Kalshi and their Polymarket bot. You also have copy trading here. You can see all sorts of markets. Kalshi is obviously massive for sports betting and has a lot more options and often a lot more liquidity for sports betting, while Polymarket might, for example, be better for politics markets. And you obviously want to use this to your advantage and use the markets that has the most volume and liquidity to make sure you get the best odds possible. But Creo also has their own web app, and this is what it looks like. So once you open the Creo web app, you then just link it to your Telegram, and in here you can quick trade any market both on Polymarket and on Kalshi by using these quick buy buttons, which you can adjust the amount of right here at the top. You can sort it by only Kalshi or Polymarket or both. And this is basically a social feed where you can see all sorts of interesting things going on. So here you have specific trades being put on these specific markets, but you then also have an X feed where you can see anything related to different markets. you have smart wallets. So here you can track what smart wallets are buying. So this guy just bought 1.4K worth of yes for this market, which obviously brings you additional insight. And then they also have an unusual activity section. And this section is really cool. It basically detects any unusual trades of super large size, or if like a small wallet all of a sudden makes a gigantic buy for a market. For example, here, $10,000 buy of LGD Gaming to win. So this guy is obviously betting super heavily on that. This guy just bet $300,000 on if the price of Bitcoin will be above $76,000 on February 5th. So this is obviously a huge whale that just put a massive position on this market. You then have US government shutdown by Saturday. You then have US government shutdown by Saturday, another massive buy. So these are all super massive trades and unusual activity trades that gets detected, which obviously gives you great additional insights. And if then you see a new trade with super big size or unusual activity, you might get a huge confidence boost because of that, and you want to follow that trade. You then have the quick buy options right here to follow that specific trade, but you can also open up these traders and get sent to their account if these might be some wallets that you want to copy trade. And then since this guy just made this huge bet on LGD Gaming, I might assume that this guy is an insider. So I can then copy this address, go back to the Creo web app and go to wallet tracker. Here you can track any sort of wallets. So I just click on add wallet. I'm going to paste the wallet, do a name. So this is LGD Gaming wallet. Let's just name it that, add wallet, and you are now tracking this guy. And if you head back to your feed, you then have this wallet tracker, and here you will see any new trades being made by the wallets you are tracking. But since I just added this guy and not tracking any other wallets right now, obviously this isn't showing anything. But having a social feed and a web app like this is a huge plus in my opinion. Just gives you additional insights into the market. But this is obviously the first public beta for Creo, so they will be adding loads of new features very soon, like the one they're talking about right here, the Creo extension, which will allow you to trade on the official Kalshi and Polymarket website, but with way more advanced features. So I'm really looking forward to trying that. And as soon as that is out, I will try to make a video about that as well, because that is a really cool feature. But basically right now, if you are looking for the best Telegram trading bot that gets you access to both Kalshi and Polymarket, then Creo is definitely the one I recommend. And like they said here in their first tweet, early joins will be rewarded. So if you are an early user of Creo, you will also be rewarded. Now, if you have any questions regarding Creo, do let me know down below in the comment section, or ask me in my Telegram down below. If there's any other videos you want to see, do also let me know down below in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.